So let's start making the sauce for the kimchi. And what else do we need to do?
That's it.
Welcome to another day with us. Today we're going to make kimchi. If you don't know what kimchi is, it's basically a Korean method of fermenting cabbage and other vegetables, giving them a strong and pungent taste and highly probiotic properties. So we'll be running around getting the ingredients and showing you this area of Belgrade in the process. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video by the end, and as always, thanks for supporting our channel. We really love showing you guys around, like seriously, this is all we do with our time off. Brittany's still asleep, so I just got an earlier start to make the track for this video. Let's see, something simple. This guitar, here we go. Okay, enjoy.
Thanks for coming along on another day with us.
We're gonna take it easy today. We have a few orders of kimchi to put together. So we're walking that through a beautiful park. We'll show you in a minute.
I think we're also gonna go to the supermarket to get ingredients for dinner. So we'll show you around what a supermarket looks like in Serbia.
And after a long walk, we'll arrive home and you'll see how we make kimchi. So thank you for being with us and sharing this day with us. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. So a lot of people have been asking us why we decided to make kimchi in Serbia.
You're such a weirdo.
And the answer is because you can't find it anywhere.
No, there's no Korean restaurants, no kimchi, nothing.
Luckily, Serbs already have a tradition of fermenting cabbage, so that helped us.
Yeah, so basically they're used to the idea, but we add like obviously Asian ingredients.
So after living in Asia for such a long time, it becomes just a part of your diet.
Yeah, exactly. We're used to having it like almost every day.
And people here like it. So when we finish this walk, we'll go and pick up the ingredients as we just told you. For now, let's see a bit more of the park.
Yeah, let's enjoy the nice day.
Say hello to the camera.
Hello. Got some lettuce here. They have tons of Christmas stuff out now, like lots of cakes and candies, gifts. Ooh, what are we having for a snack?
I miss the salt and vinegar.
Ooh, healthy. Let's go.
Right, shopping's done.
Yeah, we actually got 2 packets of crisps, 1 sweet chili and 1 salt and vinegar.
Nice, I miss that.
Okay, next we're gonna introduce you to a little game that we play, which is Guess the Country.
And I'm really bad at it.
Let's try.
Okay.
Okay, Pablo, guess the country.
Do I get 20 questions though?
You get 10.
Okay. Is it in Europe?
Yes.
Is it in the Balkans?
No.
Is it in the Baltic? You don't know what the Baltic is, do you, Brittany?
Maybe not.
Okay. Is it in Western Europe?
Yes.
Is it Spain?
No.
Is it Germany?
Yes.
Ah.
Hey, hey, hey.
Come here. Oh. home. Okay, now we're going to proceed to make kimchi. And probably, what do you want for dinner?
Hot pot. We have to chop the vegetables, make the sauce,
Ah, okay, yeah.
start the fermentation.
So I'll start the brine now then.
Yeah, let's make kimchi.
Okay, here we are. We're about to start mixing the kimchi. So we have obviously the carrot, green onion, the cabbage, which has been brined for 2 hours.
Yeah, we have a little bit of the brine here in a bowl, and then here is the sauce mixture.
Yeah, the sauce has garlic and a bunch of Asian stuff.
Yeah, it's really red.
Yeah. We'll mix it up and leave it to ferment for 3 to 4 days. It depends on the temperature. So, darling, ladle me in.
Yeah. Another important part about making kimchi is actually these plastic gloves that we're wearing. We have a Korean friend here, well, a customer, but now our friend, who gave us these. They're straight from Korea.
These, like, nothing gets through. So as you separate the leaves, you mix in the sauce. Add some green onion, some carrot as well. All of it ferments together really well, as long as you give it enough time. Remember when we went to Korea, darling, and we learned from that lady?
4 years ago now?
At least.
Yeah, I miss Korean barbecue.
Luckily here in Serbia, we're in a fermenting culture. They use it for sama. You should try sama, it's really good. Variant of that exists all over the world. Every country has one, but the particular take on that from Serbia is pretty strong.
Yeah, we use smoked meat. I'll put in some pictures so you guys can see what it looks like.
Right, that's pretty much mixed.
Yeah, so next we put it into some jars and then leave it for a couple days like Pablo said.
Yeah, okay. So this is basically how you make kimchi, people.
Yeah, here's our kimchi. So thank you again for joining us for another day of our lives here in Belgrade. We're gonna eat dinner, finish our evening. Let us know what else you want to see from us next. Please like the video, subscribe, and comment and share if you can. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.